A VRF system is a variable refrigerant flow system. What makes it different is that in a traditional air conditioner, you have one outdoor unit, one indoor unit, and you're cooling an entire space. So a VRF unit can control each zone independently, so you can have each different area, office space with its own thermostat, so you don't have everybody fighting over one temperature. The VRF industry is cutting edge new technology that is continuously changing. So we're always looking for new ways to find out how to make it better for our customer, the end user. We also incorporate or have available a third-party device that will allow us to have remote access, remote data capture. So if there's a problem, we'll say on a weekend, and we go out there Monday morning, we can rewind the data to a spot in time to where the unit had a failure and help us pinpoint what the problem is. So we have that available to us to use as yet another tool to help maintain and give better service to our customers.